the daily average true range, I think, is an important thing to look at. I'm not going to look at oil. I'm not going to look at the euro. So we're 2 minutes into the release, not waiting for it to happen. 1.5 minutes left. Here we have the Aussie. I'll keep that open. S&P, obviously not a wrong thing to trade at all, but I don't want to focus on the equities today. I want to trade the currencies rather. Equities, if we see a good number, they're not reacting as logically as they should, although this is a wrong thing to say. Markets do whatever the hell they do. So pound, yen, Aussie. So, okay, we get employment numbers out of Canada as well. That's actually unimportant at all, because Canada has been losing massively in value on their currency, so maybe we could see some relief here. But I want to also put in the Kiwi. Okay, so last minute. Let me just make sure. I'm going to trade one lot positions. One lot. Okay, here's the Kiwi. Here's one lot. And I'm going to look on my FX book. They do it quite neatly. They have a countdown, in fact. Here we are. 23 seconds. I'm going to pull that out here so I can watch it on another screen, and I can bring back my trading here. Okay, 15 seconds. So we're waiting for the headline number, unemployment rate, and the average hourly earnings. They're also pretty important usually, but I think the headline number is going to make it or break it mostly. 1 second left. So here we are. Market's racing. 260K. All right. So I'm going to sell on the yen. I don't think that's a very good number. I'm going to sell on the yen. I'm going to put in a trailing stop. Let's just say 50 points. 5 pips. We should see 5 pips. Dollar Canada's tanking a lot as well. What's the number? Wow, Canadian dollar is very, very strong. We have 35,000 created jobs at a consensus of 10,000. Okay, the yen is not budging down so much just yet. Maybe take a small position on the dollar CAD here. And also trail it. 5 pips. Should see the 5 pips here. Yeah, dollar Canada going really well. Here we are, 8 pips plus, 10 pips plus, 15 pips plus, and more and more. Look at this beautiful trade. Okay, dollar yen, only one left here. I'm gonna make my trading stop a little bit. Actually, both out. 160 bucks made in a minute. Not so bad, right? Will you be trading binary? Samuel is asking. Well, you could do the very same on a binary. You just have to open up the binary trade a little bit earlier, because you can't do it on the very hour release as the system gets too crowded. So that's why I prefer to trade on the FX side, the Forex side of things, on the MT4. Well, those are my small trades I entered. I was really just looking for a dip in the market, take a couple pips, go out. I did the same on the Bank of England yesterday. And in fact, I think I did exactly what I said I would do. So even if things go fast, and yes, they do, I can't change that. It's the reality of the market. How about you guys? Did anyone sell the dollar as well? Just use the chat if you like. And I'll go back to my regular view now. Great. Ayush is saying he sold it. Congratulations. And you can see, yeah, the number is a disappointment. And I was expecting that, because I was thinking, look, 310K, it's a long stretch, man. I mean, it's still 260 is a strong number. But it just, that's why I'm not keeping my positions. It's a momentarily push. It doesn't mean things change necessarily completely. But for the moment, it gives a little bit of trading reasons to trade. Look,